Hi and welcome to an Ivo Tools library video where we are looking specifically at the rndbox function. Now the rndbox function enables you to select a random item from a predefined list. It's very simple to use. It will be a short demo, guys, but let's crack on and look at how that might work in Python. So guys, here we are in PyCharm and I've created a very simple list of string data types, and these are folk who I am imagining have put their names into a charity raffle, hence the name, guys. So what I would like to be able to do is to simply pick randomly a name from that list, guys, and it's very simple. We simply create a new variable to contain the winner, okay, and we will say equals randbox, and then we pass over the entire list, guys, okay. All right, and let's just print out the winner. All right, let's see what we get. Okay, and we can see that randbox has magically chosen randomly from our list Connor. Let's run it again, guys, to see if we get something a little bit different. And this time, of course, we get Kimberly. Now, it is possible, guys, that we could actually get a duplicate here because we're calling our function uniquely each time, and it's looking at the same list each time. So as a development of this, what could we do if we wanted to choose two winners from, oh, let's say three winners actually from our list, but we want to avoid duplicates? Well, there's a number of ways that we can do this, but if we're not too precious about the original raffle list, we could essentially delete the winner from the list and then re-examine the list as we go through our iteration. So let's just amend our code and do that. I'm just going to put at the top here, guys, let's put a comment in, iterate to select three winners. Okay, so we want to iterate 3 times. All right, so we're going to say for count in range 3, okay, which will do nicely. And then we want to keep our assignment the same, guys. Okay, let's keep the assignment the same, and we are going to simply remove the winner from the list, okay, before we repeat the next iteration. So what I will do is I will say raffle, okay, and then we want to say dot remove, all right, and then we want to remove the winner, okay. Excuse me, guys. Then we can print the winner. I guess what we should do really is to take that out and put that here, okay, so that we get our comms and output done first, and removing the winner should be done in readiness for the next iteration, guys, okay. So let's run that and see if we get 3 separate names, guys, for our winners. Okay, and there we get our 3 separate names, guys, okay. Let's run it again just to make sure it's still working, and we get 3 names, guys, okay. So the randbox function is very simple to use. It's quite basic. The code behind it, guys, is not complex, but once again it's a question really of anyone that uses this not having to duplicate effort by writing code that's already been done. And if you want to guarantee, guys, that you are going to get unique random items from a list, then you would need to just create a little bit more code to cater for that, as we have done in this video. Okay, so that's basically a wrap up on the Ivo Tools rndbox function, guys. And of course, it doesn't have to be a list of strings. It can be a list of numbers where you specifically want to select a random number from a predefined list, guys. Okay, so you can use it with different data types as well. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you in the next Ivo Tools video.